So if you run a global business, you definitely know this feeling. You look at an invoice and just watch it get eaten alive by fees.
Mm-hmm. Conversion fees, bank spreads.
Yeah, and sometimes it feels like you're losing half your profit just moving money around. And that headache is exactly why we're seeing so much buzz around platforms like Airwallex.
And that's really our mission for this deep dive. We're going to give you the shortcut. We're figuring out what exactly Airwallex is, where the sources say it really shines against traditional banks or even something like Payoneer.
And crucially, is it safe enough for you to actually run your global finances on?
Exactly.
So we have to set the scene right away. Who is this for? Because it's not for everyone.
Right. It is custom built for e-commerce sellers, small businesses, companies with remote teams, basically anyone dealing in major foreign currencies.
So we're talking USD, euros, British pounds, Australian dollars.
Yep. But if you're looking for, say, a personal bank loan or you want a physical ATM card you can take down the street, this is not it.
That's the key distinction, isn't it? It's a global financial platform.
It is. It handles payments, transfers, all that. But it is not a regulated bank in the traditional sense. So no savings accounts, no loans, and this is critical, no physical branches to walk into.
All about speed and low fees.
Exactly. It's built for velocity, not for, holding your life savings.
Okay, so let's unpack the feature that seems to create the most confidence for new users. The ability to just instantly generate local bank account details.
Yes.
What's the practical benefit of that?
Well, it immediately solves that whole cross-border fee problem for both of you. You can create local US, UK, European, or Australian account details in a second.
So your client in New York just pays into a US account.
Exactly. They pay you locally so they don't get hit with huge international wiring fees, and neither do you. It speeds everything up, and frankly, it just builds trust because they're not sending money to some random overseas account.
That is powerful. Okay, so the money lands in your Airwallex account. Now, the platform encourages you to use this multi-currency wallet. Why would I hold funds in euros instead of just, converting to dollars immediately?
Well, there is some risk, right? You have to watch the market. But for anyone doing high volume, the reward is usually worth it.
Okay.
A traditional bank might hit you with a 3, maybe even 5% conversion spread the second that money arrives. By holding it in the wallet, you can wait for a better rate.
And then convert using Airwallex's rates, which are presumably better.
Much better. They're much tighter. So you're basically playing a smarter, longer game on your foreign exchange to maximize that profit.
Okay, so you've optimized getting paid. Let's talk about paying out, especially for remote teams. This is where those unlimited virtual Visa cards come in.
Oh, this is a huge win for any business owner who wants control. A huge win.
How so?
You can instantly create specific virtual cards for specific things. One for your Zoom subscription, a separate one just for Facebook ads, another for a particular freelancer.
And if that freelancer starts overspending?
You just freeze that one card. Instantly. It doesn't disrupt any of your other payments or subscriptions. It's a level of surgical control that, traditional business banks just can't offer that easily.
And then there's the back-end efficiency. We're talking about automation. Integrations with Xero, QuickBooks.
Right. And e-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, it just cuts down on all that manual data entry, which, as you know, is where the errors happen. But let's do a quick reality check here. It is strictly for business. And because it has to follow global financial regulations, the setup isn't instant. You'll need the standard ID and business verification.
And I saw that some of the advanced features are restricted depending on where you are, right?
Yeah, that's due to local laws, so you absolutely have to check availability for your country.
Okay, so for anyone setting this up, the source has pointed to 2 immediate actions to take.
Right. First, use batch payments. If you're paying, say, 10 suppliers or 50 freelancers at once, it saves a ton of time and it keeps your records clean.
And the second?
Security. Enable multi-factor authentication or MFA, and turn on push notifications. You need that instant awareness for every single transaction.
So when you boil it all down, what's the takeaway for our listeners?
Airwallex really does tackle that core problem of international business. It saves you money on fees, and it saves you time with automation, and it generally supports a wider range of currencies and global accounts than some alternatives.
Like Payoneer.
Like Payoneer, yeah.
Okay, so let's end with a final thought. What's the one piece of advice for someone thinking about scaling their business globally with a tool like this?
It's actually a really crucial tip. If you have any plans to scale internationally, open those different global accounts now.
Before you even need them.
Yes. Don't wait until you're already swamped with massive volume in a new market. Get the financial framework in place early. It will make your long-term growth so much smoother. And you can just use their customer support to guide you through setting up those more advanced features when you're ready.